Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a declutter and organize under the kitchen sink. If you're new, hi, I'm Danielle. I hope you'll stick around by hitting that subscribe button and join my growing YouTube family. Now I don't know about you, but mine is definitely a hot mess. It's one of those quick throw everything in and close the doors kind of mess. It might not be that bad, but there are definitely things that we don't use, things that don't belong, and unorganized. So without any more talking, let's get on into today's video. So welcome to underneath my kitchen sink. I don't know about you, but this is definitely one place that is difficult to organize and declutter. Because of all the piping and the garbage disposal, you have to work around that. So what I'm gonna do first is take everything out and throw away things that we don't need, put it in a donation pile, things in the recycling, consolidate things, and even put things in different containers. So let's get started.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find valid.
Oh my goodness, look at all of this stuff that was underneath my sink. I was definitely not looking forward to going through all of it, but knew it needed to be done.
You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky.
So here I'm going through this embarrassing mess. I'm going to be putting things into new containers, throwing things away, putting things to the recycling, and finding new homes for things that do not belong underneath this sink.
Holding you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time, I can find the point where our two pass the line. But you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Okay, so now I am going to try and cover the bottom of this cabinet with this quick cover contact paper almost that I got from the Dollar Tree.
I know we might regret it, not any more than letting another night slip out of our hands into the past. We're working too much, and I know nobody asks, but I need this, and you need this. We're too deep in the maze to make it out tonight. We don't have to be lonely. Just hold it. We're hyper-focused on 50 things at a time. We forget to notice our lives are slipping by and we feel alone.
Okay, so now that I have this cabinet shelf liner in place, it's not perfect, there are some bubbles, but it's going to be covered up. I'm going to go ahead and see how I want to organize everything. You're just going to have to play around, especially with the piping and things in here. I did pick up a few organizing bins from the Dollar Tree. These white ones came in a pack of 3. These blue ones are a bit bigger and came in a pack of 2. I also picked up 2 of these cabinet shelf things. I don't even know what you call them. Stackers. So I picked up 2 of those. I'm gonna see how it goes.
So in a little bit, you're going to see me move things around until I like how it looks. Don't be overwhelmed by this. Just keep moving things around until you like how it looks and works for your space.
Okay everyone, before I show you the after, I just want to say I am so happy with how it turned out. Everything has a home now. Anything that didn't belong is gone. Whether it was thrown out, recycled, put in the garage, you name it. Okay, so let's start over here. This is the same bin that I used before. I just kind of took things out that didn't belong or that I didn't need anymore. Over here we just have some of the Great Value disinfecting wipes. This is the Smartly Cleaner from Target. I love this scent. This is the the Citrus Grove. It is less than $2 and I love it. It smells so good. It smells like oranges. And then just 2 bottles of Windex. We have some Spot Shot carpet cleaner. Back here we have some Scotch Guard. Way back there is a refill of Windex. And then here I have the Method Daily Clean Wood for Good. I love this. It smells so good. It says almonds on it. And then here, I haven't brought these out yet, but this is the Mrs. Meyer's Apple Cider Scent, the multi-surface spray. And I do have the apple cider hand soap back here. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleaner. I love this for my sinks and for my stove. I have a flat glass top stove and it does amazing on both. And then back here is the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle Scented Room Refresher. I use this not often, but I use it on my curtains in my living room. And then we have hand sanitizer, and then underneath here is just a small bottle of like Goo Gone. And then way in the back here, I was gonna put these in the garage, but I did have room. Back here is just like bug killer, ant killer, and then bug killer for plants, and it keeps your plants safe. And then here in the front, I just put these 2 shelf things. Underneath, I just put my Mrs. Meyer's like little plate thing with 2 of the Dollar Tree scrub brushes that you can fill up with your own soap. And then in here, I just folded all of my towels that I use to clean the counters. I just have towels that my mom gave me. These 2 are the multi-surface e-cloths. And then these 2 are the glass and polishing cloths. These 4 are from e-cloths. I actually won them in a giveaway that This Crazy Life was holding, so thanks, Amanda. And then here in front, you saw this earlier when I was putting these in here. These are the lemon garbage disposal refreshers. And then in the back, I don't use these often, but they're just like scrub brushes, a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, a sponge, and then like the sink plugs and stuff like that in there. And then these are extra sponges. I put them in here. And then these are replacement sponge heads for the brushes that I get from the Dollar Tree. In here, I just put the dishwasher tablets. It's a container from OXO. You just push it and then I can grab it easily. Back here, I was showing you this. It's an empty glass jar that I put the grease in from like hamburger meat or whatever, because you never want to pour it down your drain. That is not good. And then here I have the succulent food and then just some water to put in it that's distilled. And then way in the back here is carpet cleaner solution that's almost gone. And then I think I mentioned, maybe not, I just have 4 vases back here that I don't use often, which I need to start doing. So that is how everything turned out. I love it. The liners on here I actually wasn't sure about, but I actually kind of like it. It makes it look pretty. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of how everything turned out. The aftermath of cleaning underneath your kitchen sink. So that's it for today's video. I hope it gave you some great motivation to clean out under your kitchen sink or any other cabinet in your home. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye!